You know what? I'm just gonna say to Jamie Harrell, don't marry Matthew Marcos Manotok. Don't marry that person who's an bangag and drug addict. You know, Jamie Harrell, I know I always learned that you are a Miss Earth 2014. I respect you. Please do not marry the drug addict. Because you know, for me, the Marcoses are the greatest robbery of a government. Take a look, Jamie Harrell. I know what you're saying. Oh, you said, what you said? I will accept the married. Oh, I will accept the wedding ring of Matthew Marcos Manotok. Don't marry that Matthew Marcos Manotok. Jamie Harrell is a drug addict. The Marcoses are very bangag. They are incompetent. They are criminal and plunder. What I say to you, Jamie Harrell, here's my warning to you, Jamie Harrell. Stop trusting the pathetic Marcoses who are fake Filipinos. If I were you, Jamie Harrell, you should marry Baste Duterte. You should trust the Duterte family. Jamie Harrell, you do not know what is really happened. Take a look, Jamie Harrell. Your mother was a victim of martial law of Marcos Sr. And then you sided with the Marcoses, even Aimee, even Matthew, Marcos Manotok. You know, Jamie Harrell, stop trusting Marcoses. If you want more trust to the Marcoses, Jamie Harrell, I will put you in my enemy list. I had enough of Marcoses. Take a look. If you watch the Gabi na Lagim of Kapuso mo Jessica Soho, you see what happened to construction workers. They also died and buried in cement when the Manila Film Center was being hurried, and I know it's being in a rush, and I know the building was very collapsed, and it was really collapsed. Hundreds of construction workers have been killed or died and buried in the Manila Film Center. That is really happened. And it was really haunted. That is really happened, Jamie Harrell. You know, Jamie Harrell, stop trusting the Marcoses because they are criminal. Ha? Take a look. Guinness World of Record. The greatest robbery of government. The Marcos. The Marcos like Ferdinand Marcos Sr. and Imelda Marcos. Amy Marcos, Irene Marcos, Bongbong Marcos. They are the greatest robbery of the government. I say to you, Jamie Harrell, you should trust Tatay Digong. You should trust Rodrigo Duterte. You should trust Bastet Duterte, Paulo Duterte, and Sara Duterte. I say to you, Jamie Harrell, you know that, Jamie Harrell? You don't know what is the flood control ghost project in Ilocos Norte? What I discussed that? I am warning you, Jamie Harrell. Stop trusting with the Marcoses. Do not trust the Marcoses. I know the Marcoses are the greatest robbery of the government. I've been told that to my fellow Duterte supporters, even my fellow Duterte bloggers, I talk to them in TikTok Live. They are warning you, Jamie Herrell. Stop trusting the Marcoses. Do not trust the Marcos. Jamie Herrell. Do you understand that? You're a beauty queen. You're a winner of the Miss Earth 2014. And you're gonna say you will marry the corrupt Matthew Marcos Manotok. The Marcoses are very criminal. Jamie Herrell. Wake up. Like I said to you, gumising ka. Huwag kang maging bulag sa mga punyetang Marcos na yan. That's why I say to you, Jamie Herrell, you know, the Marcoses are the greatest robbery of the government. Just like I said before, magnanakaw pala ang mga Marcoses. If I am saying to you, Jamie Herrell, do not trust the Marcos and Romualdez corruption because they are really corrupt. They are bribery. I am warning you, Jamie Herrell, what I said before, you should not trust the Marcoses.